Every day I have been giving Billy and Barbie an extension on their home. Animals love their home nice. And the tree, the white tree at the back. And then I've given them bridges to cross here. They can go in the cage, and in the cage they have sand at the bottom, which they, and then on the top, the plants, which they frolic through, and some food. And then I've got like a skirt there for so like sometimes they want to have like a little darker time. And then at night I've been lighting candles like at the bottom here, and they love it. Don't you, Billy? You tell everyone, Billy? Yeah. And you, Barbie? Yes. You love each other too? Oh.